This is metering maintenance experience at kotaminyak. Instrument calibration, frequently asked questions, FAQ. What is instrument calibration? Activity to determine the accuracy of measuring results shown at instrument by comparing to traceability measuring standard. It can use certified national or international standard as a benchmark. What is the purpose of instrument maintenance or calibration? To know traceability measuring standard, to determine the deviation from measurement accuracy, to ensure measurement results comply with national or international standard, to increase the level of trust at instrument measurement results. Here is a photo of flow meter calibration at Santan PHKT recently. Why is instrument calibration important? Accuracy of its instrument is degrading from time to time. Changes of accuracy caused by electrical jolt, lightning, mechanical damage, or environment hazard. Based on type of instrument and location of usage, instrument can be degrading slower or faster. Instrument calibration increases the accuracy of instrument. Hence, it increases the product and service quality. Basic principles of instrument calibration. First is measuring object or unit under test. The flow meter that we want to calibrate. Second is the measuring standard. The standard calibration tool like Fluke and so on. Standard procedure refer to verified national or international or lab standard with the margin error of how much percent. Certified operator or technician. Environment condition, which means temperature and humidity are always being monitored, and external hazard always being minimized, and identify uncertain factor of measurement. When is instrument calibration needed? First, new instrument before installation. Second, instrument after a certain operational period. Third, when the instrument had a collision or vibration which is potential to change calibration. Fourth, when the observation results are questionable. What instrument is needed to be calibrated? All instruments are able to be calibrated. This is a picture of control valve calibration recently at Santan PHKT by kotaminyak. Why does instrument maintenance get involved with government? There are a few instruments mandatory witness by the government SKK Migas and sealed by Directorate Meteorology, which those instruments has to do with custody transfer, selling oil or gas to main Pertamina. Where does the instrument get certified? All instrument standard can be done at CAN certified laboratory. However, instrument standard for custody transfer is recommended to be certified at Directorate Meteorologi Bandung, or the personnel from Directorate Meteorologi Bandung or DITMET came to the site and do the test with us. Here's a picture of water drop proofer LACT at Santan PHKT by kotaminyak recently. Kotaminyak has been involved in metering maintenance and instrument calibration at ex-Chevron Indonesia, then hand over to Pertamina Hulu Kalimantan Timur or PHKT since 2009 until now, with renewal contract periodically. This is a footage of minutes, kicks of meeting with the project number is KTOM FE326S. at 3rd September of 2019 to have an agreement over the new contract between PHKT and Kotaminyak. Scope of work at PHKT, metering maintenance and instrument calibration at all major sites, including Santan, Lawe-Lawe, Penajam, PSB, and set up the groundwork for certification witnessed by Direktorat Meteorologi Bandung and SKK Migas such that PHKT is legitimate for custody transfer to its client. Here is an example of report or berita acara. This is pemeriksaan teknis and verifikasi ulang AMKS meter prover PHKT at Santan with a type bidirectional single. Diameter nominal is 273.55 with the ball is 267.90 and the margin error is 0.02%. Conclusion, we have seen the capability of Kotaminyak in metering maintenance and instrument calibration. For further inquiry, please contact welly.sunario@kotaminyak.co.id for email or call me at 6254273352 extension 3332. My address is in Balikpapan, the Kotaminyak Legal Headquarters. Thank you for listening.